it fucking drunk.
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. Let's get this one underway. I'm back into my Jordan room. Get you a little bit of box action. I'm adding in Jordans, 312s. I'm making some space for Adidas. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG University Gold and Light Bordeaux. These are the Jordan 1 Brotherhoods. A lot of people didn't like this shoe, but I had to pick some up for my collection. I've been, well, everybody with me has been wearing these because they're close to Lakers colors. I believe they're actually the colors of Jordan's college fraternity. All premium materials. You see the purplish material to the white backdrop. Is all rolled leather. It's all very soft. You get the same color Nike swoosh. Goes to the yellow backdropping with the same color Jordan Wings logo. They're going to call it Bordeaux, I guess they're calling it. Doesn't really look the same color as the Bordeaux's, but so you get the yellow backdrop on the shoe with the Bordeaux and white breakup. Basically the same on this side with more yellow and Bordeaux. You get the yellow tongue, or yellow toe, I'm sorry, as well as a yellow Nike Air and Bordeaux logo on the tongue. Standard Jordan 1 bottom and yellow. Zoom them out a little bit. Sorry guys, got too close. Let you guys look with the light on. Like I said, not a bad shoe overall. The materials on this shoe to me are pretty decent. Like I said, you can get this shoe most likely for under retail. Got these for so far under retail. That's why everybody wanted a pair. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of this colorway. Like I said, it's close to Lakers, but it's not Lakers. But me being a Lakers fan, you know, I had to have them. I've been wearing them with Lakers attire. You know, did you guys pick up a pair of these? Are you interested in picking a pair up of these? Like I said, the leather is buttery smooth. Everything on this shoe is well constructed. It's one of the better Jordan 1s, in my opinion. Like I said, you can actually pick these up anytime you want under retail. Okay guys, look at this one, what it's going to look like when it's on your feet or foot. Like I said, if you're a Jordan 1 guy, let me know what you think about these. I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. I want to thank everybody who's going to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'm going to be bringing more shoes to you guys and other things. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. Awesome Jordan in my opinion. I'm happy I have more than 2 pairs of this one.